Hi, this is Kumar Nagendra here, and I've been attending an amazing, powerful 2 days workshop called as High Workshop by Vishal Saini. And let me tell you one thing, okay? It has just blown my mind away, and the concepts, the information that he has been providing, it's out of the world. Okay, the main problem is we are not aware of the things that are happening around us, and it's important for you to have an abundant life, for you to have that vibrant health into your life. You should know what are the things that you need to do, what are the things that you should not be doing it. And that's what exactly we are learning in this high workshop by Vishal Saini. He is imparting amazing, wonderful, out of the world knowledge, like how we can prevent ourselves from conditions, how we can purify ourselves with structured water, structured food, and so many powerful things that we have not even had that knowledge, and we not even think of in our life, right? So it's important, my dear friends, that this workshop is a must for everyone. It's an awakening, it's an eye opener, and let me tell you, I have been benefited by the high workshop. Not only the high workshop, but Vishal Saini has helped me in giving me the right direction, right food, and right diet. And with his team, which he has, they're always there to help me out, guide me in all possible ways. And I can assure you, okay, if you're there with Vishal, okay, you want to have a vibrant health, right? So thank you so much, Vishal, for being part of my life, for being part of this journey, and you're doing an amazing, awesome job. May divine light, may God bless you with much more abundance into your life. Thank you so much.